A journey 1,000 miles begins with a single step. When doors close, windows open. You can't stop black birds from flying over your head, but you can stop them from nesting in your hair. If you plan for a year, plant rice. If you plan for a decade, plant trees. If you plan for a lifetime, nurture people. The fish that doesn't struggle in the net will never learn to avoid it. If you don't know where you're going, any road will take you there. Fall 7 times, stand up 8. Time creates gold, but gold cannot buy time. Do not fear growing slowly. Fear only standing still. The wise learn from others' mistakes. The foolish don't learn even from their own. Mountains never meet, but people do. Don't seek a flawless friend or you'll remain alone. If you want happiness for an hour, take a nap. For a day, go fishing. For a lifetime, help others. Those who talk much do little. The wind does not favor those who don't know their destination. You can't prevent problems from coming, but you can prevent them from staying. A book is a lamp in the journey of darkness. Sow virtue, reap happiness. Patience is a tree with bitter roots, but sweet fruit. Don't drown in gold, nor perish in poverty. If you want to be happy for a year, get married. If you want to be happy for life, don't. A beautiful melody needs no ending. The frog in the well knows nothing of the ocean. Reading without thinking is like eating without digesting. Don't wait until the water boils to start digging the well. He who owns books owns treasure. To know the past, look at your present. To know the future, look at your present. There are no favorable winds for those who don't know their destination. Chase 2 things, catch neither. Fear of failure is the beginning of failure. If your neighbor is bad, learn from them how not to be. He who plants apples won't harvest pears. If you want to make a woman happy, give her a kind word every day. Happiness is like a butterfly. The more you chase it, the more it eludes you. But if you stop, it may land on your shoulder. Don't be like a boat without a sail, drifting in circles. He who opens a school closes a prison. Friendship is a deep river. It doesn't make noise like shallow streams. The wise create more opportunities than they find. An ugly face needs a mirror. An ugly soul needs wisdom. You can't fill a cup that's already full. He who gives quickly gives twice. Anger begins with madness and ends with regret. Don't be like bamboo, hollow inside. He who lives in a glass house shouldn't throw stones. A child who isn't allowed to fall will never learn to walk. He who sleeps on the ground fears no fall. The hand that rocks the cradle rules the world. Don't wait for the storm to learn how to build a boat. A beautiful rose doesn't stay in the hand of the one who picks it. He who fears tigers won't enter the forest. A thief who steals ideas is worse than one who steals money. Don't be like a shadow, following you in sunlight but vanishing in darkness. He who chases fame rides a tiger. Never trust someone who never gets angry. A man knows himself when he falls, not when he stands. Good memories are like perfume. The more you stir them, the more they spread. He who looks for faults will find them even in paradise. Life is like tea. Its bitterness gives it flavor. He who opens his heart opens the doors of the world. Don't be like a bell, making noise but never hearing itself. He who lives in the past loses sight of the present. A great heart is like the ocean. It never narrows. A smile is a dagger in the heart of anger. He who doesn't know how to be silent doesn't know how to speak. Love is like fire. It either warms you or burns you. He who cries over spilled milk misses the joy of honey. The wise build bridges. The foolish dig ditches.